Welcome to my course Zero to Hero in Lightning Web Components. If you are new or experienced in Salesforce, it's the right time to get familiar with Lightning Web Component, which helps you to build the next generation Salesforce app. LWC is built on the latest web standard, so we start this course with the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We will cover most important 15 topics of JavaScript that will help you to master the Lightning Web Component. In this course, we have different levels. So our levels start with a basic level in which we'll learn about fundamental of Lightning Web Component. Then we'll move to the intermediate level. There we'll talk about event communication, internationalization, how the navigation works, how we can give notification and so on. And at the end, we'll reach to an advanced level where we'll learn about wire service, Apex, REST callout, reusable components and so on. In this course, we'll build couple of projects as well, like quiz app, memory game, book listing app, and car hub application. And another beauty of this course is real-time features. In this course, we will solve all the real-time problems everyone face in the project, like PDF generation, how to generate the charts, maps, how to achieve filtering and sorting, how to generate the CSV from the data, how to create a reusable model, how to achieve pagination, how we can style the data table, date validation, and so on. And from this course, you will get the lifetime access. You can use this video anytime, whenever you want. You will get the working code of all the LWC topic that we'll cover in this course. You will get all the code of the project, and at the end, you will get an extreme knowledge to prove yourself as an expert in LWC. So I hope you will enroll and I'll see you in the course.